These two scales look almost the same, but they serve very different cooks. One is a simple, unbeatable value workhorse, and the other is a premium, feature-packed option. As we compare them, the trade-offs in speed, accuracy, and daily usability become clear. We'll break down performance, features, design, ease of use, and value. By the end, you'll know which one fits your cooking style and budget. If you're choosing between them, check the links below for the best price. When it comes to design and build, Mik-Nana feels like a premium compact scale with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that looks at home on a counter. In contrast, Etekcity 22lb presents as a sturdy workhorse with a larger platform and robust construction built for heavier kitchen tasks. The compact form of Mik-Nana benefits bakers with limited space who prioritize aesthetics and easy storage. Etekcity appeals to meal preppers and larger families who need visible capacity and a structure that signals durability, trading some elegance for raw utility. Features and capabilities set the core contrast between these scales. Mik-Nana focuses on compact precision with intuitive buttons and a clear display, suiting bakers who prioritize streamlined workflow and easy unit switching. Etekcity 22lb expands capability with higher capacity, additional weighing modes, and a backlit display, favoring meal preppers needing volume and flexibility. For ease of use, Mik-Nana's straightforward layout benefits beginners, while Etekcity's extra functions appeal to experienced users handling diverse ingredients. Feature-wise, Etekcity leads, but Mik-Nana's simplicity delivers a tighter, more tactile experience. When it comes to raw accuracy, the Etekcity scale pulls ahead with a larger, more responsive sensor, better handling heavy mixes and dense batches without drift. The Mik-Nana stays tightly calibrated for lighter work, giving home bakers confidence with small amounts. For meal prep spooning in oils or sticky syrups, the Mik-Nana's quick stabilization feels slick. If you regularly push portions past its limit, that speed advantage turns into a reset loop. Choose the Etekcity if big batch power matters most, or the Mik-Nana if compact precision fits your daily rhythm. When we look at pricing and value, the scale from Etekcity sits in a higher price tier, while Mik-Nana is positioned as a more accessible option at a lower price point. Choosing Etekcity usually means you are prioritizing capacity and extra features over budget concerns, which benefits cooks handling large batches or dense ingredients. Choosing Mik-Nana often suits beginners or those with limited storage who still want solid accuracy for everyday meals. The trade-off is clear: lower cost with tighter limits from Mik-Nana versus higher cost with broader ability from Etekcity. Your cooking habits should guide this decision. If you want effortless precision and a compact footprint, the Mik-Nana suits beginners and bakers who prioritize a sleek, intuitive setup. If you need to handle bulk batches, large containers, and higher weight capacity with programmable functions, the Etekcity acts as the capable workhorse. The Mik-Nana delivers an easier, clutter-free experience, while the Etekcity offers more robust features for power users. Choose the compact elegance if simplicity is key. Choose the higher capacity and feature set if you cook in larger volumes. Choose the Mik-Nana for an intuitive, compact experience that feels straightforward in daily use. Choose the Etekcity for robust capacity and advanced features when you cook in larger batches or need more customization. Mik-Nana eases learning for new cooks, while Etekcity delivers technical depth for enthusiasts who tweak recipes. If simplicity guides you, lean toward Mik-Nana, but if versatility and larger batches define your needs, Etekcity is the overall leader, offering stronger capability for serious cooking demands. In this comparison, the biggest difference is that the Mik-Nana Food Scale focuses on simplicity and value, while the Etekcity 22lb Food Kitchen Scale offers a larger capacity and more advanced features. If you want a straightforward, affordable option for basic kitchen needs, the Mik-Nana Food Scale is a solid choice. If you cook in bigger batches and want extra functions like a backlit display and higher weight limit, the Etekcity 22lb Food Kitchen Scale may be a better fit. Neither is automatically better. Your budget, cooking style, and how much functionality you truly need should guide you. You'll find links to both products in the description below. If this comparison helped you narrow things down, consider subscribing for more product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Check the links below for current pricing and details.